today I want to explain you in the polynomial, the quadratic polynomial is having graph. I want to explain you. Suppose, but if it is a polynomial, the given polynomial p of x is equals to ax square plus bx plus c, where a comma b comma c r belongs to complex numbers and that leading coefficient is not is equals to 0, so then it is called a polynomial. But in that polynomial, suppose if it is a is greater than 0 and a is less than 0. If it is a is greater than 0, the quadratic polynomial graph, what are the nature, I want to explain you. Okay. And again, if it is a is less than 0, what is the nature of the graph, I want to explain you. Okay. So now generally in the given polynomial is quadratic polynomial, that graph of that quadratic polynomial is parabolic shape. Parabolic shape means either this form or this form, like that will come. Okay. Suppose if it is a is greater than 0, so what type of graphs will come and see? First of all, that if a is greater than 0 means the parabola graph will come, upward direction will come. If it is a is greater than 0, a is greater than 0, the parabola will come upwards. Okay. So similarly, one more model is if it is a is greater than 0, parabola will come. So now here alpha comma beta are the two distinct roots, but here alpha comma alpha is one distinct root. And again here one more thing is, if it is the parabola is open upwards. Why? Because this is also a is greater than 0 and this is also a is greater than 0. So if it is, but here there is no real roots in this third graph. So actually, but in this a is greater than 0, two distinct real roots. A is greater than 0, the parabola touches x-axis at one point, but a is greater than 0, the parabola does not touch at x-axis any point. So what is the difference means? So first of all, you need to take discriminant. Discriminant delta is equals to b square minus 4ac, So using the discriminant, suppose if it is delta is greater than 0, delta is greater than 0, two distinct roots will come. Delta is greater than 0 means if it is a comma b comma c are real numbers means, so the two real roots will come when delta is greater than 0 and a is greater than 0. If it is a is greater than 0, delta is equals to 0, then the parabola is touches at one point in the x-axis. Suppose if it is a is greater than 0 and delta is less than 0, the parabola graph is never touched at x-axis. But a is greater than 0 means the parabola graph will be open upwards, and delta is less than 0 means the parabolic graph does not touch at x-axis. Okay, so this is about a is greater than 0 and delta greater than 0, delta equal to 0, delta less than 0. Suppose in the second one is, if it is a is less than 0, again three conditions will be there. Suppose if it is a is less than 0 condition means, so that graph will come one time this, and again one more type is this, and again one more is never touch at x-axis. So these are the graph is open downwards. Open downwards will come. So why it is open downwards means if it is a is less than 0, a is less than the leading coefficient is negative, that graph, parabolic graph will be open downwards. Okay, so next, so similarly, in that a is greater than 0 means leading coefficient is positive, that parabola graph will be open upwards. Okay, that is the secret. So now here a delta is less than 0 and a is less than 0 and delta is greater than 0 means again here also alpha and beta are the roots. Alpha is one root and beta is another root will come. So similarly, if it is a is less than 0 means the parabola graph is open downwards, and delta equals to 0 means it will be touches at only one point in the x-axis. So here only one real root means two equal real roots will come. Okay. So similarly, if it is a is less than 0 and delta is less than 0. If it is a is less than 0 and delta is less than 0, the parabola is a is less than 0 open downwards, and delta is less than 0 means they never touch at x-axis. So that's why these roots are called as irrational roots or imaginary roots will come. Okay. So these are the methods. So these are the properties I explained. So first of all, if it is a is greater than 0, the quadratic polynomial nature of the graph is open upwards. Okay. So then delta greater than 0, delta equal to 0, delta is less than 0. A, B, C are real numbers means here delta greater than 0 means the roots are real and distinct means two different roots. Delta equal to 0 means the roots are real and equal. Delta is less than 0 means purely it is imaginary roots. So similarly, if it is in the parabolic means in the quadratic polynomial, leading coefficient is less than 0, a is less than 0, so the graphs will be open downwards. That is the nature of the graph. So then, if it is delta is greater than 0, two distinct roots, delta equal to 0, two equal roots, delta less than 0, never touch at x-axis means there is no real roots means the roots are called as imaginary roots. So this is about quadratic polynomial nature of the graphs. Okay, students? Okay, so for the next video, so what is the nature of the roots properties I want to explain. Until keep watching my channel. I wish you all the best. Thank you.